Good morning, students. This is Ms. Johnson. Today, we will be going over the Rising 11th Grade course registration process. First thing we'll talk about are promotion requirements. To be classified as an 11th grader, you must have at least 12 credits prior to the first day of school in August of 2022. And of those 12 credits, you must have English 1, English 2, and Math 1. So again, in order to be promoted, you must have 12 credits. And of those 12 credits, it must include your English 1, English 2, and Math 1. Course selection. The goal is to select classes that will work towards completing your graduation requirements, as well as taking classes that you have a sincere interest in. The minimum credits needed towards graduation is 24. Those 24 credits are broken down as following: 4 in English, 4 in math, 3 in science, which include earth and environmental, biology, and a physical science, which could either be chemistry or physical science, in addition to physics. Social studies, there are 4 credits, which include, there are adjustments to this year's class. The social studies courses you will need to take would be, at this point, world history, civics and economics, American history, and new for you all will be economic personal finance, which the majority of you will take your senior year. You will also need 1 credit in health and PE with an additional CPR certification. And lastly, 8 electives. If you are missing a class, what does this mean? As you are selecting the courses that you need for registration, be sure if you have a class that you are not being successful in passing this year, you have some options. You will either need to select those courses as part of this course registration process. For example, if you have failed English 2, then you need to select English 2 as well as English 3, which is an 11th grade course. The same may apply if you did not pass Math 2, then you will need to select Math 2 and Math 3. If you are currently taking a class, do not select it again, meaning you will not get additional credit for the same class. There are very few exceptions that will apply to. But we do ask, again, unless you are not passing the class, you definitely can register for it. But if you choose not to retake that failing course during the school day, you have the choice between taking it in summer school or credit recovery. So again, if you have not passed the class from 10th grade, that is a graduation requirement, you are encouraged to do one of 3 things. Register for that class in addition to the additional progressive class for the 11th grade, or you can choose to take the course in summer school or credit recovery. If you have additional questions about this, please reach out and we can respond. So your core choices. As you can see, we have it broken down by standard, honors, and AP. We also have it broken down by subject matter. So for English, most 11th graders are going to take English 3. You have the option of the standard or traditional level, the honors level, and the AP level of the English course. The same holds true for math. Under math, some students may just be going into Math 3, while others may be going into Math 4. There are additional honors level for the math. It's Math 3, Math 4, or pre-calculus. There are also AP options for math for those students who have the required prerequisites already in place, you have the option of Calculus AB, Calculus BC, or even AP Statistics. One thing to note, all of the AP courses that are listed on this chart will actually be listed in a separate AP portion of the registration card. And AP stands for Advanced Placement. Again, all of the AP courses that are listed on this chart will be in the AP section of the registration card. Under Sciences, the courses that you are required to take, as we mentioned before, would be Earth and Environmental Science, Biology, the Chemistry or Physical Science, and again, not listed, but Physics. Those courses are offered in both the standard and the honors. In terms of the AP level courses, Environmental Science. If you did not take Earth and Environmental in 9th or 10th grade, you have the option of taking it as an AP course. Under Social Studies, this is where it's changed slightly. Now you will be required to take American History, either standard or honors, and the AP option could be AP US History. So those would be your social studies options. Under electives, this is pertaining to students that may be in the academy or students that are on particular career tracks. Career and College Promise. Students, you need to be aware that there are additional options for you in terms of courses. These courses are actually offered at Central Piedmont Community College. If this is something that you are interested in, you need to connect with Mrs. Walker, who is our Career Development Coordinator. Please know that this may be a good option if you are considering college or even a trade school after high school. There are, however, GPA requirements that must be met in order to qualify for either of those tracks. But we just want you to be aware that these options are open and available if you meet the requirements. Post-graduation plans. It is never too early to start thinking ahead. If you are considering attending a four-year college or university, you must have a higher level for math. So those math courses could either be Math 4, Pre-Calculus, the AP Statistics, or AP Calculus. So again, remember, if you are considering postgraduate college, you must take one of the higher level math courses. And as we said, some are listed here. Also, if you're considering going to a college or university, you must have at least 2 credits or 2 years of the same foreign language. These are requirements if you are choosing to go to college. Also, if you are perhaps registering for your 4th math course for your upcoming junior year, most colleges look to see that students are competitive by having an additional or 5th math their senior year. So again, even if you complete all 4 math classes in your junior year, most colleges would recommend students take an additional math class their senior year. So to summarize, they would rather you take a math class each year that you are in high school. So how do we enter our courses? This year, you will be responsible for inputting your courses in the platform, PowerSchool. How do you do this? The directives are here. You would log into PowerSchool on a computer. Please do not try it on a mobile or an app. You need to be on a desktop or a Chromebook in order to complete this process. You will access with either the parent or the student portal. Once you're in the portal, be reminded you must select at least 8 classes. And in addition to your 8 classes, you must also select 4 alternates. Again, 8 classes and 4 alternates. So if you were to look at the navigation menu, It would be on the left side of your screen. You would select class registration. Once you're in the class registration tab, you are asked to follow the directions for the course catalog in order to select the courses that you are needing. Remember, 8 classes, 4 alternates. So next steps. As you are taking the time to go through and see the courses that you are needing, please make sure that you are reviewing this information with your parents. Also be mindful that you have resources at your disposal. You have your teachers, your parents, as well as your school counselors to help guide you in course selections. We want to make sure that you are selecting courses that are the most challenging for you, but will also lead to your success. So again, review the courses, complete the course registration online with your parents. The deadline to complete the information in PowerSchool is February 4th. So you will have until February 4th to go over courses, talk with your teachers, place the information in PowerSchool by February 4th. Once that is completed, your counselors will be meeting with you one-on-one to review your request. This will start around February 14th. And lastly, please take ownership to the registration process and select the courses that you are most interested in. If you do not select courses for your registration for next year, then you are allowing us to do that. And if counselors have to select your classes, you will not be eligible to ask for course changes in the upcoming school years. So I encourage each and every one of you to take time to go over the courses, select courses that you are most interested in, including your alternates, and register online by February 4th. I hope you received the information that was shared today, and we hope that you take full advantage. We'll see you soon. Thank you.